Okay, today I'll keep it bit short. Okay, the session, I'll keep it for only half an hour. Then after that, I'll be sharing this video so you can start practicing. Okay, fine. Now let us create a new composition here. There are multiple options. You are able to see the screen, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So composition, new composition. I'm taking half HT. Okay, just give OK. So first thing, let us add a solid, new solid, new here. How do we do that? Right click here, new solid. So you take a black solid here, black color. You can click and select the black color. Okay, and give OK. So now there is a black solid over here. Okay. Now after this, how do we add titles? How do we add title? For example, you're creating a short film or you're creating some scene. Okay, how do we add title? Now first thing for this is here. Now here only again, create new text. Create new text. Okay, one text layer has been created. You have to type. So let me just enter, change the pixel size, means the font size. Okay, another thing, color. You have to pick the color also. Something like this. Okay. So now this is a text which we have created, but I want to enhance the appealing, means enhance the text part. So that means, so let's say here, I'll enter, um, I'll enter, or else, you can increase the size. Okay. Something. Okay. See here, show reel L, this L, and this L. I want to match it. Okay. So, okay. So this and this, I just want to match. So that's the reason I just mentioned it like this. Okay. So now after this, so even what I can do, I can select this, turn this into red color completely. Okay. So it looks good actually if you do something like this. Then overall what I'll do, overall you can increase this, means let's say for example, yeah. So you got it. How did I do this? You understood?
No, sir, please do it again. My network got me.
I'll create a new text layer. There's a new text layer. Okay, like this is there. So I'll change this to white color. Okay, I'll reduce the size. I'll reduce this size. I'll increase this. I'll increase this a bit. Okay, like this. I think this is fine. Okay. Any doubt is there up to here? Any doubts? Okay.
No, sir.
So now let's say I'll take up to 6 seconds here. Come to 6 seconds duration. Select this. Control Shift D. Control Shift D to split the layer. Control Shift D to split the layer. I want this layer. I don't want this layer. I'll delete this. Okay. Now let me increase a bit, either for 6 to I think 7 seconds. It's okay. Now here it is there. Up to here, what I'll do. Okay, now this one, I'm moving a bit side here. Okay. T, oh sorry, P for position. P for position. Here, somewhere in the middle. Or else even what you can do. Okay, let's say somewhere in the middle. Here I'll come, not in the middle. Here it's over here. Key set key, and to the end. X Y position means here X axis, Y axis. X axis, slowly I move to center, and here I want this to go out here. Okay, means I have changed the position. Now see, when I play, it comes faster then slow. It comes faster then slow. So what I'll do for that, here press B. I'll come over here, N for ending the end screen of the work area, means end frame. Press O. Press O to a temp render. Okay. So it shows here, this is not a real time. Okay, now actually I want this bit more faster. I want this text to appear a bit more faster. So what I'll do here, this I make it even closer. I can move this keys. Okay. Slowly it's moving. Okay. Or else even faster, like even very quickly if you want, means you can move this. Okay. So what I'll do, this I'll place here. Okay. Then here I'll come. This one, I move this. Okay. So after this, I can end this frame. That's okay. Now see, it comes, then it will register to the audience, then it goes out. Got it? Understood how to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here, this part.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here what I'll do in the beginning, here, come over here, and S. I'll scale, and O. I'm going to increase a bit. Means the scale, the size, the length of it, I just increased it. So now, see here in the beginning it is 100%. At the end it is 130%. I increase the text size. So when I do that, see now it's moving, means it's moving towards left, as well as the size it is increasing, right? So we are allowing an audience to register this thing, means people are able to read, then it will move. Okay. Okay, there is a small jerk over here. How do we solve that? I'll show you that. So that's a position. So now select these position keys. Select these keys. Okay. See, I'm selecting these keys. Select these keys. Right click. Keyframe assistance. There are options here. Easy, ease in, ease out. Okay. So what I can do, I select this thing. I want ease in. Ease in means smooth in. I want this to enter very smoothly. Okay. So I'm selecting this, right click here, ease in, and even you can select these things. This one, ease out. You can give ease out. See, smoothly it came and it went faster. Hmm. Okay, something like this. It looks really good. So you can try these things. Okay, it's nice. It went out. Okay, let's see if I do this. Ease in for this. Okay, ease out for this. Okay, it comes like that only. Okay, so like this. Fine. Okay, this is one option. Then after this, this is one type of animation, text animation. Now, if we can animate text, we can animate images also, right? If we can animate text, we can animate any other footage, not only text, any other footages.
Oi.
Whatever footages we import, we can animate all that. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll take a few images, sorry, few videos.
Let's see how it me go. Coco. I saw it in Jacob. If yeah.
Can you go on mute?
No, he said 30 minutes. So even if I have class there and wait for
Linde,
it to end, it's
can you go on mute?
oh sorry.
Okay, I'm importing few images over here. So I import here, then later I drag and drop here. Black solid has to be in the bottom always. Then I select all this, Control Alt F, fit to screen. I want all the images to fit to screen. Okay, I press O, then I select all this. Means when you press O, the time slider will come at the end of the frame, this selected frame. Then select all these, open bracket, so that these footages will come over here. Now it's in 8 second, This one 8 to 13 I'll move. Okay, 13 or 14. Okay. I think it's okay. Okay. Then after this, Control Shift D, so that I want to chop these for this particular duration. Okay. And you press delete, it's gone. Okay. Then select this bracket and O, select this open bracket and press O, select this open bracket, then press O, same way open bracket O, same way open bracket and O, open bracket and O, open bracket and O. Okay. Then I want an end screen also, text also. Just a minute. Okay. So at the end, I want one more text layer. So I'll duplicate this, and this one I drag and drop at the bottom, and I want this to come over here. Okay. So open bracket, it comes at the end. Then I press O and N for this, no, work area 2 to come at the end part, N. After this, right click, trim comp to work area. Okay. Got it. Anyhow, this all recorded in the video. You can refer to this. Here, just mention thanks for watching. Okay. Select this white and make it something like this. Okay, I'll animate this part. In the beginning, what I'll do, I'll animate this. Already it is there. Okay, what I'll do, I'll come over, let it come over here. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. So now here, one after the other, how do we do this? Okay, just do this, and here either scale animation or other sort of animation also you can do. There are so many other effects are there. For example, here transition and all. I want to show you that later, not now. You guys will get confused. So you got it. How do we add text and how do we do the typo animation? Then add these things. Okay. Let me do for one. Okay, let's say I'm selecting everything. I'm scaling a bit. Okay. And P all together, you can select at once only. Everything, you can place it here. Okay. Now I'll do for this. P, Shift S, position and scale both you can do. Let's say only position will do first. Okay. Now let's do one thing. For select this one. P, I, position I scale this at at end. I want this to go out. Okay. Then in this time, select this one. P, okay, one after the other, let it go. Now P, you can key this. Okay, let's say we'll do another thing. Select this, copy, I, paste. Select this, I, paste. Select this, I, control you paste. See, I'm copying the key and I'm pasting. Select this I and paste. Select this I and paste. Same way I and paste. Same way I and paste. Okay, this is what we have done. Now what happens? Let me save this. When I press 0, it's moving like this. You know what you can do? We can add one more background in the background. So after this, you know what we can do, one more thing. Let's add one, this background. Any some soothing background. Place it below the black solid. Scale a bit. Something like this. And T. Reduce opacity. Reduce opacity from the beginning. So that when you play, when this goes, this will be there at the end. Okay. And another thing will come, it will appear, then when it goes, even this will be there. It's kind of opener. Okay, you can come up with these kind of options. Got it? Any doubt is there up to here? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, so I'll end up this call now actually. Okay, due to some other task is there now. So I'll share this video. Okay, I want you to do for images as well as videos. Even what you can do at the end here at the bottom, what you can do, you can add one video so that the video will be playing. So on top of that, you can change the images like that also you can do. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So try to come up with some 2-3 different exercise, 2-3 different videos. Okay, by Monday. Okay.
Yeah, we will have to wait for
Let's see.
Nitin to join.
Okay.
Okay, Nitin is joined.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, okay.
Thank you,
Fine.
guys. I'll stop share. I'll end this call.
So we can start.
Have a great weekend.
Actually,
okay, thank you.
Alok has to join. So
Thank you so much, sir. You too.
Yeah, thanks. Bye.
okay.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.